Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve here, Rake and Profit over rakeandprofit.com, coming back to you with another video on a beautiful morning walk. It's about 7:30 in the morning, and one of the things that I've learned over the years when it comes to business and actually achieving things, which could be, growing my eBay business or making more money in sales or improving my profit margin or just being able to get anything that I want, maybe purchasing my first investment property, earning more money with my stocks or whatever. It's not all about how much you learn, right? So education's obviously important, and that's why I read so much. I listen to a lot of audiobooks, but I would rather be the type of person who applied what I learned for 10 minutes a day instead of reading for an hour or 2 hours a day, educating myself for a couple hours a day and not applying what you learned. That's the biggest thing. You've got to apply it. So I'm telling you right now, if you're watching my videos, or maybe you're a big avid reader, or you listen to a lot of audiobooks, right? You're always learning, you're investing in courses. Spend your time applying as much as you can, because there's nothing that's going to pay you more dividends than actually the experience of doing whatever it is that you're learning about, making the mistakes, actually getting started, building that website, listing your first item, shipping out your first item, going through that experience of putting forth your first Amazon FBA shipment, right? You're never going to learn as much from a book, a course, a video, as you're actually going to learn from doing it yourself. Because no video, no book, no course is going to be able to spell everything out from you from A to Z. And at the end of the day, how do you get what you want? You have to take action. So it's really easy, like for me personally, and I'm not talking down to you, like I'm talking to myself. I'm saying to myself, Steve, don't get in the trap of patting yourself on the back. Oh yeah, I read 5 books this month. Honestly, good for you, Steve. You read 5 books, but what did you do with it? You read a book that was teaching about, wealth building. Did you automate your investing into your SEP IRA or into your 401, right? Did you actually take the time to go out and find a real estate agent to find that commercial property? Did you actually set up your index fund, right? Did you actually go out and buy that mannequin to start taking photography to improve your listings? You can watch all the videos in the world. You can learn as much as you possibly can, but if you're not applying, what are you really doing? You're wasting your time. So I just want to send a short message, because I fall into this trap all the time where I'm patting myself on the back. I'm so excited because, man, I'm reading all these books and I'm educating myself. And it kind of feels cool, right? Look, I read 5 books. What did you do? But at the end of the day, I'd rather be the type of person who read 1 book and applied 20 things over the month versus the person who read 5 books during the month and didn't apply anything. So that being said, take this message and go out and apply what you're learning.